This is France Client Bigino reporting. On September 20, 2018, a massive landslide devastated Naga City, Cebu. The Naga City landslide claimed the lives of 78 villagers and injured 18, while 6 people remained missing and are presumed dead. The majority of the fatalities were recovered at the landslide, though, about 1.2 kilometers from the 200-meter high headscarp. This was due to the unexpectedly large landslide volume and unusually long run-out, which surprised villagers at the landslide though. A landslide is defined as the movement of a mass of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. Landslides are a type of mass wasting, which denotes any downslope movement of soil and rock under the direct influence of gravity. This happening at the Naga City, Cebu is an example of landslide, and it's a type of mass wasting. The term landslide encompasses 5 modes of slope movement: falls, topples, slides, spreads, and flows. Debris avalanches are catastrophic, large-scale, mass-wasting events with a fast-moving body that can travel a long way relative to the collapse height, regardless of whether they are volcanic or non-volcanic in origin. Though more commonly associated with volcanic mass-wasting events, the use of the term debris avalanche also applies to non-volcanic landslides if they meet the criteria of having an amphitheater, hummocks, tarivas, megablocks, jigsaw puzzle features, and a longer run-out compared to landslides.
What is mitigation measures? Mitigation measures are actions that eliminate or reduce risk from future disaster events. So what are the things that we need to do to prevent this kind of calamity? So we need to prevent undercutting the base of the slope, adding weight to the upper part of the slope, removing vegetation, and saturating the ground with water because it increases the risk of mass wasting. We can also use public information to inform the people that this place is a landslide hazard zone. We can also use signages to put warning signages in the area that landslide is likely going to happen. Landslides can occur without any obvious trigger and have the potential to severely affect lives and structures. Identifying the potential hazards can help us prepare and reduce the possible danger and injuries. So here's what you need to do before a landslide. Identify the safest interior locations. Get and ready an emergency kit. Develop a plan. Leave your house if you have been told to evacuate or feeling unsafe staying in your home. Always be aware. Here's what you need to do during a landslide. Do not panic. If you are outdoors, stay away from the landslide. Try and get out of the path of landslide or mud flow. Run to the nearest high ground in direction away from the path. Here's what you need to do after a landslide. Remain calm and stay alert. Treat any injuries or seek professional medical care. Check yourself for injuries and get first aid. Stay away from damaged areas. Watch for flooding. Floods sometimes follow landslides. Report broken utility lines and damaged roadways to appropriate authorities.
Why mass wasting happens. Mass wasting occurs when a slope fails. A slope fails when it is too steep and unstable for existing materials and conditions. Gravity is the main driving force behind mass wasting processes, as it is constantly attempting to force material downhill. What are the areas of high susceptibility to landslide? High elevation areas tend to be quite susceptible to landslides. Many of the area with the highest potential for landslide activity are found in steep mountain ranges. Like what happened in Naga, heavy rainfall and the continuous quarrying caused the soil to collapse.